Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about multiple exceptions, part of programming in C++ course. Multiple exceptions can be caught in separate catch blocks, each with its own exception type. This allows you to handle different types of exceptions differently, depending on their specific characteristics. Here is an example of catching multiple exceptions. In this example, the divide function throws two different types of exceptions, std invalid underscore argument and std runtime underscore error, depending on the x and y values. The try block in the main function encloses the call to the divide function, and two separate catch blocks catch each type of exception if it is thrown. The error message of the exceptions are printed to the screen using the what method. It is important to note that the order of catch blocks matters, as the first catch block that matches the exception type will handle the exception. So in the example above, if an std invalid argument exception is thrown, it will be handled by the first catch block, and the second catch block will not be executed. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.